And I know there's sharks out there.
Yeah, man, whole
And,
shark out there,
yeah,
man.
so I would like to see if, can you guys get me a shark so I can get the teeth and make a necklace?
I simple, hold on. Hold on, man.
Yeah?
A simple thing that. Hey, so what now?
Touch him.
So you see?
Okay, I mean,
Look at it.
yeah, what kind of shark is that?
Hold on. See him right there? It's kind of small away. Walk on my people. For hear the voice and see the face. I don't know. One Maggy Films and never two. See? You walk on now. We have a real jam down style sitting for you watching. Hunting for better names. See? But before we reach this, big up to all of my viewers and my subscribers. Them. All our people who support Maggy Films and they are one. Big up on yourself. Yo, I'm make a cool bumper reach me. Yo, big up on yourself, you know, man. Make sure so you watch a movie from start to finish. Come and see me and make me know where you go. You understand? Because I know so you're going to enjoy. Or something different. And you know some Maggy Films? We do things different. Not so. Yeah, man. We entertain people differently, man. So, all our people who want to jump on board, welcome. Yeah, so we entertain people to the fullest. One Maggy Films I never thought. Boom.
Strength, turbulence to the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films. You hear me, man? I could have been one of the most notorious. I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. Keep watching. Go bang!
Yo, Daddy, hope you want to game of marble. But Sonny, look how long your mother send you out. You're not going to get beaten. No, no. But still, look how you play 2 marble now. I said 3. Much I said 3. Set all on 3 too. Yeah. Over someone. Me I go first. Bomba. Here. Yeah. night I come down, mommy, I go beat me. Can you lift up? Move now. Oh, Sonny, look you lift up now. But wait, take up an axe one, pick money and dash you back. If you look back, you'll get lick. Come in, can you dip? Sonny, don't look back, you know. If you look back, you'll get lick. Night I come on, Mama want this something cook. Yeah, that. Yo, come on, hurry up, brother.
Sound from the peak of the past, sound to musical blast, sound like a musical explosion. Taking you to the magical ride, cause the feeling you cannot hide. Only peace and love abide. Rider, rider. Feel my heart pounding so hard. Oh, it a bit air. Him not stop cry about you. But you skip on the dipper, don't you try to find the chickens. I will tell you about my son, I'll keep you rocking it. Blue brown, don't like it in the movie, boo. When I'm next to you, it's like I'm climbing up a ladder. I said we must stick together now. Feel my heart pounding so hard. Hey girl, you never know, say my friend him love you, know. Him fancy you bad, you know. Anytime my buck up on that friend, him not stop talk about you. Him really wanna live with you, you know. Feel my heart pounding so hard. Oh girl, feel my heart pounding so hard. It not stop crying about you. Feel my heart pounding so hard. Chiba, chiba, chibera, like you put your arrow on me heart. Alright, from the moment we start, right. Woman, you really got me in my soft spot, and we never could have fall apart. Me love you from a dusk, and me say straight on to dawn. Me say love you from a morning come. I love you never cold, I love never warm. Even make it through the rain and storm. Oh, it a bit air, chibbly bum, chibbly bum, chibbly bum, chibba, chibbe, biddly bum, chibba, chibum, chibba, chibum, chibba, chibbe.
Yes, Elder, you want bet 200 US. Cheek yard, all that stuff. Ready, people, ready. Ready, people, ready. Yeah.
Where you go bet?
Mommy, you want to bet?
No,
I'll win 200 US. You sure?
Aye, what one?
Yeah, man. Now that I call about differently, man. Me have a youth down here work for me. I look at his name Sonny. He never make no money. I want a sweet boy, lazy. Right now he over there. Say my bun coal about 3 weeks now and a one bag of coal me see my can come cross. So right now I want you line up one of the real youth them up that side. You remember when you small and the youth them used to run, go bush, go catch banana upon them head. And I run, they run back a race, then run like them find a jar in a working. That youth here when name Sonny. You know in them fields there. Yeah man, down to the Garlene I work more than him. Now man, that youth here. No, I forget some, I forget going yard. When me pay him today, I forget going yard. I nah gonna love it. See me come one bag of coal man, yo. Anyway, do what myself do, and me go shout about later. Alright? Yeah man. Aye.
Natty Congo, my boss.
You want to know, say, a 10 bag of coal, somebody just ordered a while ago this morning, right?
That work on them on your team, man.
But hear me and say now,
Yeah.
it gonna be like your last day today. Because me can't just loses. Rasta no believe in a loses.
No, but no loses no night. Remember say me a working, remember say see coal skill.
Yeah, the score skill, yeah. But right now, what a changer. I'm fine. Yeah, go back home.
Hold on, so I pay this Natty Congo.
Look at how much one bag of coal. And now you make it coal, you know.
Yeah,
A
but
jar make the coal.
Natty Congo, remember say me
A one bag, yeah, work, but a one bag of coal you can come. Remember say anywhere they want, listen now, anywhere they want coal, them will come yes up.
No, Natty Congo.
I one bag of coal they want that yes up.
But Natty Congo, remember now, last week. You see the amount of work I do Natty Congo.
Last week,
Yesterday, you see the amount of work I do.
last week amount of food on him last week.
What kind of food you talk about Natty Congo?
Straight through last week, me ensure say, me Empress give you food.
Yeah, but
Every night over there, you relax. Me I watch you from last week, you relax. And the youth when did it before you.
yeah, but on the sound
Do most of the work where you come in every time you just come go on like I know you do them work there.
yeah, but on the
So
sound
if you work there with partner unfinished.
you know, give me
So I
a
can't
talk. I
listen now. I no time for talk now. A time to leave. So you leave the bag of coal and go on. You have to go learn. We give you next chance one different time, but not now. But carrying one youth.
But I tell you, if I go move, a 5 years this can do, remember me I work the whole week and coal for burn coal, you know, hard in the general.
You want know, you know hard for burn coal. You just burn coal.
Burn coal, yeah.
I used to do it before I employ you, you know. And me teach you this, I youth them how to do it. So yeah, go with the bag of coal.
In them I can't go higher to it.
Go put it up.
Put something more on this.
Listen now, if I put something more on that, the business have to lock down. No money not there.
Win $200 US. Alright, go on to school. Go on to school.
Hey boy!
Police are come.
Police, stop! Police, stop! Hey boy!
Yeah, Ginal.
It's alright. I now come back, you know. I hate that. Never put on this and left the place.
It's alright. I shall hold you another day.
Yeah, like me there say you now. Yeah, me let go that youth there. Yeah man, see he gonna push out you now.
I left the place higher to you, so.
Yeah man, so you line up somebody urgently. Sonny there on the way. Send down money. One of them youth there. But this one not work out.
It's alright, higher to you, man. It's fully high tech and I final. Everything good, man. Auntie B. Now back toast now. Yes, I have it. Yes.
See the bad news here, Papa.
50.
Yeah.
And a bad drinks, a bad toast this. Alright, a bad drinks different to them. Is that right, that's all? Watch out.
Wagwan. Give me some. Oh, yeah. Wagwan. Hey.
Wagwan.
Get something.
What are you?
Okay, sir.
What are you run for?
You know, sir. All the fake USA me do they used to try make money.
Why you not could... Hey.
But the worst part of
You
it,
ain't not could do that, man. You want to go to jail, man.
I got me go tell you about. No one police woman around me though.
Police are running. I am not a criminal. There.
Remember say the money fake. So me have to run.
So hold on. A chief can't work. Who want you work? A one man
No.
chief can't do no. So
Yeah.
who want you work?
No man, me alone is the work man. Cause I couldn't torment you for your work.
No, but you know say I and I bun coal. So I do them thing higher.
Listen, if you understand this thing, I need money. So, the local coal business now go help.
You know what I say? Boy, you have to let go them thing there, no.
Yeah,
You
let
have
you
to let go
go.
them thing there, man.
Oh, no, I start a business. What kind of business is good to start?
You know, say, me there start think about, cause I just get fired, you know.
Huh?
Them people are burn coal, so I want them, I can get a work from them too.
No, no matter with the coal business right now. Going on some goat business.
Some goat business.
But how we are going to buy the goat?
You know, so my grandfather dead left some room up there.
So we are way pan.
They are priest, some would have go sell them out.
And buy goat today. So we are way pan.
You know, so about those some just there drink.
Hold on, I want that pan the road, man.
And news are going, man.
Commercial, man.
Auntie, turn up your radio for me in a place.
Those are the headlines for everyday news. Now the news. America's Got Talent is going around the world, looking for talents all around the world. The next destination will be Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica, we are coming there. We are seeking out talents
America Got
right
Talent.
around the world. See if you can meet the next winner.
Yes, America's Got Talent to come to Jamaica.
Shortly.
No matter how think about
Yes,
that.
Jamaica,
Make it that.
Jamaica. Be ready.
Let's think about the goat business. I want to think about that. But I want to travel for the place. Think about
No, but that's one good thing for Jamaican. Yeah, man, a good sitting up for Jamaican, you know.
yeah.
What you want? You go for your broom, you go start a business. Use it as a capital to start the goat business. Because you can reach up for goat business, you know.
No, you know, yeah. In general,
Yes, I think. Me there yell up auntie your mother, you know. I don't want nobody for bun coal. My mommy run the place when they come on to bun coal.
No, say still we have a second door.
Oh.
Yeah, man, we have a
So I'm
second.
on the whole of them now.
Yeah, man. Me and him do everything, man. Yeah, man.
But
But
them must have me a subs in me deal. But you wanna?
yeah.
I'm going to want different business, man, budget. But that's what I heard, man.
Yeah, man, bless up, man. But more than like you get some buyer for me still for them. You know?
Problem, man. We are not.
Yeah, man, upgrade the business, make it go on
Know yourself. Tell him, give me bread, you know, bag juice, you know. When I fruit on them, no, no, want no bag drinks, you know. When I bag juice.
Alright.
See me general.
You know, you see?
Relax, now we are going rich. You know, so we are start boat business now, sir. Yeah, man, respect, you know. Yeah, man, respect, you know. So, yo, let's go up the road, yes, sir. So, yo, come in now.
Long time.
Yeah, man. Nice girl.
Oh boy, I'm tired. So far me for walk up, man.
Yo, turn that something. I'll go over there to the room.
Alright. Oh God.
Oh, quiet with them, man.
You know what I wonder? How you take so long? I think I whole heap of broom you have, man.
And my grandfather did left them, you know.
Them eh?
Move over here to.
Oh, you look, you
Yes,
know.
when we sell them, depend on my business go, we come back with some more.
Alright, good.
Because you wanna, that boat business there where you say we will start. We can reach out to it, you know.
But that should be seen.
That's
Alright,
it.
sir.
No business we have start.
Business.
Business. Bro, man.
Yo, me say it's on hot in the man, want to tell the broom, you know. A broom! Bro! No man, broom alone.
Bro, man, selling them.
Oh, what you take? What you take with her? You don't know that broom where I tell.
Ante, Chebe the son, you know. Bro, man.
Broom! Come across the road now.
Bro, man.
Come on, go over here.
Bro, man, Ante. Chebe is the one, you know. Bro, man. Why? All the bro, man, card, brother. Why, man, I tell you. Hey, Dede, we love the business there. We love the business there, Dede. Hey, we have no time. We are going to start the boat business.
Yeah.
For money, man.
That now go happen. $300 broom, now go work. We have to find something where I make like all 5,000 a day. I want 6,000 up.
You never hear them say, every little make a muckle.
Well,
Remember, you know, it's a boat business we want to run.
Alright, talk it through.
When we
How much time we buy juice this morning?
None time, but we soon buy your drinks, man. Listen, man.
Right. How much time we eat for the morning?
None time, but listen to Dede.
So how we are going to survive?
Yes, when we start raising goat, then we are going to rich. Don't worry about that.
No go up, man.
The last broom left. What you mean it not go happen?
$300 too cheap. We have to tell you
7 bills?
7 bills.
You know, rarity, man. You want to sell one broom for 7 bills?
Yeah, we are going to tell them.
We want to rich, but not so fast.
No.
Dede.
We go tell them some lie, tell them say have look magically take out dirt out a can and them something there. And that people like you know they like buy foolish. If we could have even call up couple stone and carry on the beach, that would have good too, you know. But I just say go.
Alright, you wanna you have to go tell the people them that do you know.
Me no matter.
Alright, come on. Magical broom.
magical broom take out dirt out of every corner.
Make prosperity in your house and
Right. And run out demons. Good. Next man up.
Bro, me a sell you know.
See Jack.
They're rich you know, man.
700. Manager, where you say?
700 gear, bro, me know. Go for them broom here and I want to make money, you know.
Yeah, man. I really want to start a boat business, man.
Let's start it. Wait, how this? Ice block?
Yeah, man, it's a journey.
What go on, man?
Yeah, my brother.
Really, you know? So where are you going now?
I know, say, America got talent on a beach part there, you know.
Hold on.
I'm lying.
Hold on.
I'm lying, man.
So when you hear on the radio, man?
Oh, is that? Yes, man, I really. They come already. Then they already, man. Man, you can't make that this, man. And a $1 million US.
So you still look one?
So what, who now go?
No, remember, so a broom, we start selling broom, you know.
I broom now go for?
Yeah, we are going for a broom, we go sell it in our town, you know.
I think the best thing if you come on a beach park once you go on the weather, I tell you, you know.
You wanna?
Alright.
No say nothing.
Brother.
You're still around there, because we have a talent in them, man.
Right, sure. We
We are forward on there, see?
Yeah, man. Look come on, man.
I should go for the place.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
General.
What match it up?
Yeah, no.
1 million.
Respect, brother.
1 million. Huh?
Yeah, Daddy. I know for Yaad, I get ready now, man. I'm going to say we can borrow one guitar from one lady next door. Yeah. Our husband gone foreign and he used to play the guitar, but I borrow it for her, man. Yeah, man, I forward.
Funny how where you go some man trash out, man.
Oh, you say we look trash out?
Yeah, man, you look trash out, man.
You don't know what I say? I don't want one place down so them a keep America's Got Talent audition. Me I go try out for it. Yeah, man, I try out fit, man.
Yeah,
Me
man.
win, you know.
Yeah, win.
Yeah, me and Dede.
I hope.
Me and Dede I'll try out here and
Yeah, man.
we are going to win and then start one big goat business and
Yeah.
reach out to the goat
Yeah,
business.
man. Yeah, man. What do you mean, man?
Yes, so-
Try, man.
So you know, sir, I'm a spudgy guitar and so me a borrow, please.
Oh, yeah, man. But you will take care of it, man.
Yeah, man, me I take
Okay.
care of it, mama. Yes,
Yeah,
man.
let it, but you will take care of it.
Yes.
Ah,
When we win.
yeah.
A 3 guitar me I buy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Three.
What you mean, man?
And me couldn't get that money same way.
Yeah, man. What you
Yeah,
mean?
man.
Let me get the
Please.
guitar here.
Yeah, man.
May I beg you? Take care of the guitar, you hear, man?
Yeah, man.
Take care of it, do. Take care of it.
Yeah, man, nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man. So, thank you, here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. I hope everything nice.
Yeah,
you.
man. So, me have
Yes,
to go now,
son.
because
Take
my
this,
next president, him gonna buy a yard ready.
Yeah, man.
And so I'm ready. I just my time if I put on here now.
Yeah, man.
So later, here.
Yeah, man. Take care, man.
Take
I
it easy,
hope
man.
everything nice, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, go, Sonny.
What you mean? Where me I go? Where you question, big man, boy? What, school over already?
Yeah.
Me I go down America's Got Talent, you know. So I'm back juice money. Me I win here and make you rich, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Papa win, man. Take care of it, man. Come back, Juice. All right.
Hi.
Princess.
How are you doing today?
Good princess. It's a journey, you know.
Awesome. What's your name?
Mr. Ice Block.
Mr. Ice Block?
Yes, Mr. Ice Block.
Nice. All right. So my name is Merty, and we are here, right? I have a Vassal, and this is Candy. They are my co-judges today, right? I am actually the one who is basically in charge of this competition. It's called America's Got Talent, right? At America's Got Talent, this is where stars are born and dreams come through. All right, so basically we are here today to find some talents in Jamaica so that we can take back home to America, right? So let me hear what you have to do for us today.
Okay.
Oh, wait, before you start, let me be clear. Don't be nervous, all right? Besides me, on both ends, you have natives, all right? So they are all Jamaicans. So no need to be shy or no need to be nervous. Just be yourself and blow our minds right now, all right?
Yes, princess.
All right. The stage is yours.
Okay, princess.
Hey, it's gonna be. Hey, it's gonna be. It's gonna be. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be. It's gonna be. It's gonna be. Gonna be. It's gonna be alright. Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have to go to the audition and all, man.
So, yeah, get a hot like mine. Real much.
One just like that, me get now.
Yeah, man. You better know that because right now, we better than we
need to get a hot like that.
I tell you.
Me girl a give me bun and the government know and I don't know nothing about it. Me girl a give me bun and the government know and I don't know nothing about it. Me a go block the road. Me a go demonstrate. Me a go block the road. Me a go block the road. Me a go demonstrate. Me a go demonstrate. Cause I want justice. I want justice. The government I don't want nothing about it. Nothing about it. Hey, I want justice. I want justice. Cause it's not do nothing about it. Hey, hey. Me girl a give me bun and the government know and I don't know nothing about it. Me girl a give me bun and the government know and I don't know nothing about it.
And buy arthritis up on Rasta. Rasta!
Give one of them hot.
Sell one of them hot. Wow.
Yeah, that one do it.
How much is this?
$20. Yeah, man.
Alright, respect.
Money,
yeah, man.
Come on, man.
Yeah, we know America's Got Talent now, so we are going to win here and come back here.
We're late.
Alright, General, big up, big up.
Come on, man, we're late.
Alright, Rasta, we are winning now. And we are rich here.
We're late.
We are going to reach out.
We'll show them who it is.
I want justice, justice, justice. I want justice, justice, justice. I really want justice.
Wow, that was incredible, Ice Block.
Thank you, princess. It's a journey, you know.
No, listen, Ice Block. I must say, I have seen talents all over, but there is something about Jamaica. Pure natural talent. When you sang just now, I could hear the passion in your voice. Like listening to you, I was saying to myself, is this a true story? Like, do you really want justice? If you understand what I mean. I could literally hear you singing from your soul, right? It was pure fire for me. Listening to you, like it was it was hot. Like I would really want to hear more. So let me just ask. I'm just gonna get personal for now. Do you have an American visa?
Yes, princess.
Even better. You are well on your way. So for me, it's definitely a yes.
Thank you, my princess.
But let's hear it from our judges.
Why? Ice Black. I wonder what you if you know what that whole tune I mean, you know. Say you're American, you know. So I wonder if you know what it means.
I do.
You know.
I
Say the
do.
fun part. You know about it.
I do.
All right. Anyway, this a song here. It have a reach far because it have such a punchline on it, you know, where enough man I get born now and justice for real, you know. So you don't know, say, you know, that for everybody lives tomorrow, you know. So, you know, it's a yes for me still, because I love how the guy out there, I love everything about it still, you see me? And when you come in with the guitar and it just natural. You understand? No, nothing fake about it, you just come in and do your thing and, you know. Yeah man, big up man, it's a yes for me, you know. Yes. So but me I go check in with Miss Candy and hear what she have to say, you know. You understand me?
Okay, Ice Black. I can see that you have talent. I believe and I know. I don't want to just think it. I want to believe it because I see everything right here. You have talent. Jamaican have a lot of talent. And you will reach far. I believe that's a yes for me.
Blessed, blessed is the man that walketh not.
All right, thank you so much. That was lovely. What's your name again?
My name is Tia.
Okay, so definitely, Tia, you got a yes from me. I enjoy poets. Yes, so it's a yes from me. I'm just gonna hear what the other guest judges have to say today.
Okay, Tia. So, as I told you before, it's a yes for me.
Okay.
Go ahead and take it.
Okay, thank you.
So, Tia, let me say congratulations to you. You did amazing, and being that it's a yes from our guest judge, Vassal, and it's a yes from Candy, you are well on your way to America. Here is your ticket.
Thank you.
So that's 3 yeses from us.
All right, thank you.
All right, good. See you then.
Hello.
Hi.
This is my name is hold on a man. My name is Sonny, and this is my friend Dede, right?
Okay.
So we are Sonny and Dede, right?
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Sonny and Dede, welcome to
Dede. Yeah.
Yes, Dede. Sonny and Dede. So we're gonna perform for you now. What you say, ma'am?
Okay, before you perform, let's just introduce ourselves.
Yes.
All right. It's just a mere introduction. This is a talent competition. It's called America's Got Talent. All right. So this is where stars are born and dreams do come through. We are here in Jamaica, right, to get talents, persons who basically have talent, you know, to take back to America to be a part of the competition. All right. So today,
You know, long one fly from plane.
hi.
Focus.
Today,
Focus.
what I want you both to do is to give us your all. To my left, you have Mr. Vassal. All right. He's one of the guest judges here today. And you have the amazing Candy as well. All right. Not because I say yes means they say yes. All right. Whatever, you know, but in any cases, I will see what you guys do today, and I hope that you wowed us. All right. I hope that
We are warrior, man.
yeah, I hope that you prepare to wow us today. All right.
If she said give us all, how will you give me all?
Copy nice, man. Yes, miss. Continue.
Right. So Let's hear from
Dede.
Ready? I found two away now.
Stage is yours.
Alright.
It's a door. It's a door. Right?
The stage is yours.
Do we do Alright, let's see what you have. Let's see what you have.
So we're gonna right now you see Dab Marley?
Say again?
You see Dab Marley?
Dab?
Yes, we're gonna give you a vibes like him. When we do our thing, people cry in the world. Like when we perform, people cry. Right?
Okay.
Yes, so right now, we're gonna do it now, okay? Sing a first one.
Yeah.
Let the asylum then come from. Or something.
I don't know what is happening.
Oh, yeah, I love the world. Every boys and girls love the world. Play. Look, you sing the next one now. I want that one. But
Right. Oh, you got go. I want to practice.
eh?
You want to do practice?
Mm.
Alright.
No, not the one. That the one there.
You check the stick. Hold on, the jab.
No, look for them, man.
What is happening?
Huh?
Hold on, focus, man.
We name it down name feet.
You're taking up time.
All right, listen now. Hold on. We're gonna do it right, miss. Listen now. After three. 1, 2,
3.
I am a champion.
Gonna go
And
and
we gotta go and play. We love. Yeah.
They like it, they like it, they like it. He clap, he clap. He clap, he clap. He like.
What's your name again?
Huh? Dede.
Dede and?
Sonny.
I don't think 2025 is for you guys. You need to come back in 2026 at the next audition, please and thank you.
No, she mean like.
Hold on, man. Miss, we have more talent, you know.
Do you have another song?
Yeah. No, we have other things we can do. We're gonna have more than one thing we're gonna do, right? Alright, so watch out now. Hold on.
You.
Hold on, man. Me have to do the talking, brother.
Go on, right.
Alright, so miss, we know I can make current. You know what is current? Current is.
What do you mean?
Current make light coming out of bulb them and something there. So I can make current come out and head go down in my foot. Right? This is not no light up shoes, you know. Watch this now, you see? Look here now. What? You see that? Tampada naman yun na. Yeah, that naman. Tampada.
Hold it.
You see light?
Alright, listen.
Wala na. General, wala na. Alright. You don't like the one there? Alright, wala na. Alright, wala na. You see light now? The current come from our time brain. That's the magic. That is a magic to come from straight in Africa. Right?
Alright.
Alright, hold on. We have more.
Light.
You see that? Light.
From the brain.
From him brain it come from. You see light? Alright. Watch now.
Security.
Miss, hold on, Musa.
You want to go on the plane?
I couldn't know go foreign, miss.
You want to do what?
No, hold on. This
invisible
umbrella. Right?
Shelter you from the rain. Ready?
So, ready?
Hold it.
Make us some water there. Let me show you. Watch this now.
Hold it, show them. Calm
So, with this chick now, look here. You see my hand go through? You see that?
No water can come.
No water gonna come down on him. Watch this now.
Get you good enough. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
One on man chat. Remember say I have just back.
Me know.
Just back like.
No water. Look.
You see that?
Security.
You see that?
Listen.
No,
Hold on.
listen.
Hold on. One more time. Hold on. It have to come like a rain is falling. Hold on. Look.
Ready? See?
We do it.
You see that?
Hold on, I have a next time. This is not all it is. You see, this is
Yeah.
the magic jamming stick.
Jamming. Alright, you see like how Dab Marley have a tune say jamming.
Jamming.
So we're gonna do it now. Watch now.
Ready?
Hold on now, man. Alright, ready? Jamming now. Jam, jamming, jam, jam.
Can I continue with it?
Sorry, man. Sorry, no, man.
It's your fault.
Hold on now. Sorry, hold on now. One more time. Jam, 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 ja ja jam, ja 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 jam. I saw jam. Ja 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 jam. Hey, look here. This come like now when you just holding a meds man up in the mountain, you know, and you just jamming, you know. So look now. Jam, ja ja jam.
Go back. Stay there, sir.
I'm not come no further, sir.
Stay there. Listen. It's definitely a no for me. I'm not gonna waste my time and waste no other time. It's definitely a no. You guys have no talent. It seems like I just visa on a look or something. You don't have nothing offer. I have nothing to say. If you don't want to deal with them, but it's a definitely no for me. No way.
All right, so basically, let me say that I appreciate you both coming here today to convince us and tell us or let us see the talent that you have. But this competition, it's not based off gimmicks. We are basically looking for individuals.
Hold on, miss. I don't know, gimmicks thing, this is a serious thing, this is a serious talent.
Let me speak. Can I speak? After I am through speaking, then you will speak. Allow me to speak, please. No, this is a competition. It's not any gimmicks, or I don't want you to think that we are idlers. We are not. All right? You came here today and you were all dressed up. I thought you would have wowed us, but you never did.
Tell them the truth. Them stinks.
You never did. And as I said before, America's Got Talent. As I said, America's Got Talent. We are birth. We birth stars. So stars are born here, right? And people do have dreams, and we inspire persons to let their dreams come.
Miss, listen me now. You see Rasta will come down here. We get to. Are we train him now? Are we train him of it?
All right, and that's a real success story for that person. But you, to each his own. You are here. I cannot see what your true talent is. And us three here, once you have two no's, that's definitely a no. So it's a no for me.
All right, look here. Listen, hold on, please.
Definitely a no for me as well. Better luck next time. I'm sorry.
First, the one I know, if he get all the opportunity, now come back here, you know. Look for him. A visa boy, them look man.
All right, miss. All right, look here now. Before you say something, please, me beg you, one more tune we have. Me know say look now. One day more tune. Me know say we don't love that. Do me beg you, please. If you don't love this man, remember say yo. If you don't love this tune, remember me tell you say me change my name.
All right, so it's not up. All right,
please, me beg you, one.
Being that we have one judge left to say something,
yes.
I'm gonna give her the opportunity to push you guys through or not.
After Auntie talk, one more tune, me beg you, one. And we are record now. Go on.
You're going to wreck us? Oh, no.
Rock. No, like I say, I'm on, you know. No, hold on, man. Hold on. Yeah, where's the Auntie?
Okay, Dede and Sonny, I am going to give you the last chance.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Watch out.
And make sure you make use of this chance. Else you're out.
Sing a tune on my eyes are yours.
Okay.
It's golden, man.
Golden.
Hold on, man. Remember, say we have to start. Yes, sir, man.
Okay.
You ready now? Hold on now. No singing yet. Remember, say so rehearse it. Wanna hear that? You think you hear that yet?
Our way, we love the Jamaican. Oh, they have to love this note. They have to love this.
All right. Dede and Sonny,
Yes, ma'am.
Get you.
that wasn't good at all. And that's a no for me. You cannot go. You have to try next time. Come back in 2026. You need to go home and practice a little bit harder.
And before you go, let me say something before you go. Sonny?
Hey, it's our mic. Put back the mic. Put back the mic, it's not yours.
This is why people must know.
Put back the mic.
Sonny, I think next time, because when you were talking, I kind of sense a rhythm in your voice. I believe that you have talent. So next time, you can come alone.
Oh man, I don't let me general, man. I'm going come after a little bit, I come forward, you know. I can't let me general, auntie.
See, I don't the pants like I found a little bit.
Yes, from a little bit.
It's a joking thing. You know what's the sir? You know it's a joking thing. I take this thing off.
How not joke?
No,
How can I tell it that?
Keeping up
No,
our
man.
time. You need to go.
No,
You
no,
can
no.
go now. Go ahead.
Just waste my time today.
You can leave now.
And Dede, you can start. You can try out.
Let's go. We are.
What? Leave the mic. Leave the mic. What? Security! Security!
You cause that, you know, man.
Me? How me cause that? You tell me say we are going to get through and go up on the plane. And then get a better life.
Hey, can't believe, brother.
Listen, you can't believe you tell me say we are get through and go on that plane to reach America. See there? Nah, reach. We don't
Because we sing a wrong tune, brother. I tell you, say make you sing the next tune.
next tune ain't okay, we go there.
Alright, yo. We have one way. We have one way we can catch America. See you there now. Yeah, what? me have one boat link we can carry. We got the main audition of America. The America's Got Talent audition, the main one. So we can go up on the boat there and go a foreign.
Make sure.
Alright, come we could go check that man.
Cause a foreign me say. Foreign me say, you know. Yeah, can't believe say me last night. You know, say who kidding no man.
Brother, look here. You're done in a problem already with the police there.
Sure.
What me can't try to for people in mind, brother?
Done with that man.
Daddy, what me can't try to for people in mind, my youth?
Just understand man. We want money. And money that you know. It's a big old mic that could.
No, but listen to me. How much money that am I there with your thief? I go give you, bro, that can't start a goat business.
At least when I get a 6.
Listen what me I say, man. Listen what me I say, man. The man we go check you now, in name Bob Clark. That the man that can carry go America.
So, hold on.
So, hold on. So, you see when him jump in America, we are go America's Got Talent audition. Immediately.
Listen,
right?
Man. Listen, man.
So, listen, what you say?
We not no visa, right? You better we buy a ticket.
Yeah, your phone are ring now, what call it?
No chance. Police.
Listen what me I say. Out of forget. So out of forget the visa or ticket. Which one better?
The ticket. We know the ticket, we not no chance.
I told you.
What talk about? You have to have a ticket first.
You don't know no
chance. It's just like lotto.
So
if you don't have no ticket for the lotto, you can't win the millions.
Let's go check him on. Yeah, what? It's a 2 on a visa. I could take a boat and go to America. Come on.
Boat? Oh,
yes.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man, we'll check the boat man around there, man.
See you, man. Yeah. How are you around there, sir?
Round and seaside there, sir.
Oh, make sure you do there, no?
Round there, man. Bob Clark. Go on, Ira.
Yeah.
You know, I think man this.
America.
You understand? Yeah man, so the audition I keep out, so America's Got Talent.
Yeah, I know about him.
Yeah man, out that's where we come from. But we don't get show. You understand?
We don't get show.
We show with talent. And we know say if we can make it up America right now,
we get show.
We are going to go for them audition and we are going to get you. Because you know how them people don't have a bad mind, brother.
Yeah man, them people are hold down.
Hold down, brother. So you me say now, me and my virgin, I know what kind of work I do with a boat and
yeah,
water man.
You said we water will live pan, you know.
Alright. So you want to know? You know say that's why you can't go. You not go America side. We don't want to reach up America. We go up on the real audition now because I know say we are going to get through. So I don't mind. You can help you out.
I know say
go America.
Sure you pray, you know, so I don't really go America side though. I don't go that side, you see me?
Which side I go?
You can left on Mexico.
Tim.
3,000 US.
3,000 US?
3,000 Jamaican are you?
No man, US man, not far you know.
From
no man, you can't take
buy some gas.
No man, that you get to can't reach now.
So you hear me I say? Bob Clark, a long time you know me now. You couldn't wait till we go and win. $1 million. And we come back and we give you our money out of it. What you say?
No, my friend, I know you a long time, but I can't go do that far away. You see me? Far.
Where left this?
Just alone. I'll go take too much money out of it.
But them say when you come back and we win, man. We must say we are going to win the thing, you know.
And just that a problem. I can't go there waiting because business, you know. And this time I survive.
What left this? What left this? Left you alone. Because I'm at the 3,000.
Bob Clark, you call and know me, Bob Clark.
Boy, I wish I could help my friend, but I can't go help in this situation. Because water with them and anything can't risk me run with my life, said we, you know.
I mean, you a man say, if you don't got the $3,000 US, you
I bring money in about the $3,000, I have to go up.
3,000 US?
You have to go up.
Mexico?
Far, you know,
no, but when you Mexico, we have to go somewhere else again, have to go reach America.
Yeah, you have to go take our next thing from Mexico for reach America. So you have to have more than 3,000. 3,000 have to just go to Mexico, you have to have more than 2,000.
Buy a ticket and fly go to Mexico instead of pay the 3,000.
Easier way that, but you see on the water, dear.
Oh, but you say we could have get the ticket first?
Yeah.
Why?
I wish I could help you. Right now, better for the town, I can't go. I just can't go to town.
Yo, Bob Clark, I saw you go.
Alright, that's not nothing, man. You're still a friend, man. Respect.
Yeah, man, you still see it on TV and them something there now, because we're going to win.
Wish you the best, man.
Well, we'll get to.
Wish you the best, man.
I'll make it up there, man.
Just
sorry, you never care.
When you check, man, I call link me and give me sitting out tight, man.
Alright, Bob Clark.
Alright, big up on yourself. God go with you, no. But you go far, you want to go and you don't have no money. God go with you, no. Alright.
Boy, Zingy boy. Hey, I tell about Zingy, you know, man. Zingy is not a normal boy, you know, man. Hey, hey, Zingy.
Wow, I can't believe so when I get you, brother.
Are you cause that?
Are you cause it, brother?
Oh.
Let me know.
You tell me, so we are going to make sure we are going to go and play. See there? Walk me and walk me like that.
Yeah, what?
I don't like it.
I have an idea now. How we can get the money to start the goat business, you know?
Nobody tell me that, because I have to go back for me. You make me laugh.
Listen, hold on, man. Are you careless with it? But listen now.
I'm tired.
Listen, man.
Go back for you.
Listen, man.
I'm tired.
Listen, man. Are you lost them? But listen what I say. Make you go up on the beach and play guitar for some tourists and see if we can make money and start.
I'm going to make money.
We're going to make money. Sure, we're going to make money and start.
Sure.
What I mean? I feel it now, man. Make you go up on the Niggle White Sand Beach now. 7 Mile Beach now.
Alright, come on.
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we can't have a Niggle, big old Niggle 7 Mile Beach and we don't make no money.
Alright, I just say no.
You need to go up on the beach to make up money, man. Take some tourists and, you know.
Same way.
Which way we are going?
You know, I better we go say, you know.
Yeah, man, but people might come from so.
No, but listen, use the instinct. Why never go down so?
I can walk go down so.
Good.
Hey, down so easier for walk, you know.
That's true.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Right. You want to play music now? See somebody there. See if you're bad enough. Come.
Go on. We are musicians.
No, you.
Hold on, man. Hey man,
Hey,
we play music for a living.
you do? Beautiful. Oh,
Yeah,
show me
man.
what you got. Come
Yes,
on.
man. When we play,
Yeah.
you wouldn't mind you give us a little something, you know?
Of course, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
I'm Sonny.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I'm Dede.
Ah,
Dede.
nice to meet you both.
So you want to hear what we got?
Come on.
All right, hold on. Put on them, man.
Hold on. Play music.
Put on them, man, brother.
Tell me how to do.
All right, listen now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We come from Jamaica. Yeah. Whoa. We come from Jamaica. Jamaica, the beautiful place. We love the tourists that come here too.
Talk, man. You're embarrassed.
And look out there, so man. You see the paradise and the boat them. We have the real place in Jamaica. Oh my God, man.
Yeah, that was beautiful. Is that original?
Original tune,
Oh,
man.
really?
Hey, look here, man. You see Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
We are the #1 music spot.
Really?
You know, you ever hear about Bob Marley?
I definitely have. I
Bob
thought
Marley
it was
from Jamaica.
right.
Yeah, man. And we are from Jamaica too. So where you from, man?
I am from Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up Switzerland, you know, man.
Thank you.
Big up the whole Switzerland.
Yes, of course.
Jamaica sending big up to
Yes,
Switzerland.
we love Switzerland.
Yeah,
But
man,
we
and
love
we're
Jamaica
bigging
too, right?
Yeah, we're bigging up America, we're bigging up Canada, all those
So
places.
you're following the tradition of Bob Marley with this music?
Yes, man. He's the one who
I don't see the
inspired me.
connection so much, but it's nice. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah, but
you're not seeing good.
but we're getting there, right?
You, with some practice, I think you might get there eventually.
Easy, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, listen, I mean, it's amazing. You know, I only just got here yesterday.
Real, man.
Yes,
Big up, man.
thank you. But
Irie.
listen,
We say Irie, say Irie.
Irie. Irie.
No problem, man.
Yes.
Problem.
No problem,
What-
right?
what-
But listen, I do have a problem.
Yeah.
Because listen, I listen to a lot of Jamaican music.
Yeah, man. Good
Reggae,
music.
well, you know, that's okay, but I like dancehall. I've heard about the bad boys.
Yeah.
And I want to be a Jamaican bad boy.
Yeah.
So the thing is this, I've been looking out on the ocean, and I know there's sharks out there.
Yeah, man. Whole
And
shark out there,
yeah,
man.
so
Yeah,
I
man.
would like to see if, can you guys get me a shark so I can
shark.
get the teeth
Yeah.
and make a necklace?
I simple. Hold on. Hold on, man.
Yeah?
A simple thing that
Simple, right?
we can get a shark right now. You want
Right
man?
now? Well, if you could. I mean, I don't want to wait too
Hold
long.
on, man. Listen to me, now, man. We can get a shark
But a
for you
big
now.
one. I want a real
No, look,
scary
no,
one. So
listen
that
to
the
me,
teeth,
man.
I want
That's
people to look at me and go, oh my
I know,
God,
but listen.
he's good. Like he killed that shark.
Yes, but listen, man. You say you want to be like a bad boy, like a
Yes.
Jamaican bad boy.
If I can.
No,
I mean,
you can't get that one. We know the shark to get for you then.
okay.
We know just the shark to get for you.
Perfect. Well, you're the
So
expert.
you can take out the teeth and put
Yeah,
them on
man.
it.
You're
So
the
listen.
expert. I'm the tourist.
Yes, we're gonna get the shark, but you gotta give us a little something.
No
you know?
problem. You played some music. You get me
Yeah.
a shark. I'll hook you up.
All right, we'll soon come back. Give
Yes.
us like 25 minutes. We're
All
gonna
right.
get that shark
Sounds good.
and come back.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. We are worried
Don't
about,
take
man.
too long.
No, we're so forward.
Okay. All right.
We'll get the shark, man. Know yourself.
Shark,
Man.
oh, yum.
Me have an idea, brother.
All right. Follow the word.
Yo, can go another. Go another part, and go.
Oh, that be sweet.
Easy, man. Easy, man. Yeah, man. Yo, Ben, get them all night now. Respect, man. Yo, do a little sitting down and say, that's it. So, we just catch one and little ticky them
Uncle the shark.
and call the shark.
No, man. I think that's gonna hurt.
What do you mean? That's a hurt, brother.
Sorry, look.
It's a hurt, brother.
All right.
Just, I want to tell you, man.
Ah,
Just in a minute, man. Hold the guitar.
you tell me to the audition you work, you know, work.
No man, this one I got work man.
Alright.
We just want to catch one of them little baby fish.
Me nah say me believe in you, you know.
And mark shark funny.
Alright. We are look at one more believe they look ticket there shark.
What a nice. Hey, so one now.
Catch him. You catch him?
Yeah man, we catch one brother.
Good.
So one.
I hope you believe in that.
You must believe man. Yo, if it's liquor still, I wonder if you can see him.
Hey!
Yeah man, we're back.
You're already back.
Yeah.
That was quick.
Yeah man, hold this. So right here,
Yeah?
that's a shark right in there right now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah man, so you see,
Okay, I mean,
at it.
yeah, what kind of shark is that?
hold on, see him right there? It's kind of small over here.
Yeah, I can't really hardly see it. I mean, it's very small. I think we're okay with that. But you know, here, why don't you put that back in the sea? But
No, it's
maybe
not-
you can show
No, it's
me
not in
around.
the sea. Look, it's a Jamaican fresh water shark.
Okay, so maybe you flush it down the toilet.
No man, it's a real shark in there. You say you want the
No,
shark,
I understand
it's a
that.
shark.
But the thing is this, look, let's be nice to nature, all right?
Yeah.
I'd rather you put that back, and then what you can do,
Yeah.
show me around. I want to understand, like, how does this place work? How can I be a bad boy around here, all right? You show
yeah,
me,
we can show
learn
you.
how to golf, learn how to hang out, you know?
We can do just that, man.
Yeah?
All right, so guess what? This little shark right here.
The man, what kind of shark?
Listen to me. I gotta get rid of him, right?
Free Willy.
Yeah.
Did you catch that shark? No. Okay.
Look here, me and him catch a shark, right?
Okay.
Two of we. All right, listen now.
You show me now. Come
Yeah.
on.
Listen now. You say you want to be a Jamaican bad boy. So we're gonna teach you like, you see, to be a Jamaican bad boy, you got to walk. You got to walk like a bad boy, right?
Okay.
You got to do something like this, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And do your head like this. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. You gotta screw up your face more time and like,
Oh.
you know? Yeah.
Is that
yeah,
tough?
yeah, man. That's,
That's tough,
man.
really? All right, like this, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to, you know, put like a swag in it.
A swag.
Yeah.
Like that.
You see the swag now?
Yes.
You make them afraid of you, man.
Ah,
Yeah.
like that.
So let's go on the road.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I can't go up on one of my friend up I say, you know?
Oh, yeah. Look at that nice fruit stand over there.
Yeah, man, right up at some boss. Yeah, man.
So, you sure these are safe to eat?
Yeah, man, I all of them, I'm a people, man, man.
But they're ripe enough, natural,
Miss Angela shop this, you know?
organic?
Organic, man.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Coconuts, pineapple, banana.
Everything, man.
Everything.
Everything, man.
Beautiful. All
So,
right. They're right. They're safe to eat for me.
yes, man.
Really? Okay. Okay.
Them don't want to eat them, you know.
Listen.
Straight down in your organic.
I want a banana, but what do you want? Do you want anything special here?
We eat them like every day, you know.
Yeah,
To
but-
live at Jamaica.
Well, what would you like? I mean, I like the coconuts, right? The coconut water you can drink with the pineapple. What do you want, man?
Auntie. I call auntie. What, man?
Oh,
How are you?
very good.
How can I help you?
Yeah, man. I'm a virgin, you know. We're virgin.
Yeah. We're trying to just get a little snack here, you know.
Yeah,
so
man.
maybe if you have a banana for me, and
Yeah.
what would you like?
That's what I want this berry, man. I want this. What you want?
Okay.
You, my friend, I want this berry too. You see it? Our white virgin, we
Thank you
can't
very
run and
much.
show him all
Thank
about
you.
the place, you know?
What a great spot.
Yes, man.
God, wow.
Yes, man. Not to say, watch on the man.
Oh.
Jamaica is a really
Right
nice
by the
place,
beach,
you know.
yeah, I love it.
Yes, man. So,
Man, look at this. Huh? You got yours
beautiful,
here,
man.
huh?
Yeah,
Here you
man.
go.
Yeah, man. And this berry, this, you know.
Look
You
at
see it?
that. And how beautiful is this?
Yeah, man.
Come on now. Natural fruit and paradise.
Paradise we live in, you know.
Thank you for showing us
Yes,
this
man.
spot, man.
One day we're gonna come up to Ireland and check it out.
Please.
But we're gonna give you one more tour of our place.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, man. So here we are going now. Auntie.
Hello.
We'll pay you up for this and then we make a move because we have to go make a move here. Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This is paradise.
Oh, it's amazing, man.
Yes, man. So,
Jesus.
Auntie Angie. Hold on on this other. Big up yourself. Uncle around there. Big up yourself, hey uncle. Alright. Of course. We have a white president touch back the road there.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bye.
I'm a general.
All right.
So we are going to check one of the Rasta bridges down there.
Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We are dealing with Ross Ellis.
Yeah, man.
So,
Hello.
yeah, man. So this is Ross Ellis, you know?
Yeah, man. Hey, nice to meet you.
Our virgin.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
So, man, a long time them man at the boat, you know?
Rastafari, Selassie. Yeah, man.
See him, someone first, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
What a great spot you have here. Look at this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
A natural thing with David boy, you know?
Yeah, man. That's what I love.
Yeah, man. So you wanna make him get a one jelly, no? Yeah, man. Make him get a one jelly, them. We make you get a jelly. A coconut, you know?
I hear that that's very good for your health.
Yeah, man.
Right? Especially if you go out dancing at night.
Yeah, man. This gonna wash off your heart.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
man.
Bless.
Right down in your heart, it's gonna go now.
Right, man. That's not.
You see that? Right down in your heart, that guy, my general.
Man, not
Yeah, man.
You know?
See him say go, man. So where you going with my brother? Alright, man, you know? Pick up yourself, my general, man.
Yeah,
See you, man.
more love, man.
Yeah, man.
Rastafari.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Wonderful.
I'm signing this very, my general.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
This is the jelly.
Oh, wow.
Gel.
Yeah, man. I jelly that.
Oh.
Jelly. This one good for the back, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, good for the
your
back.
Thank you very
You
much.
see, like when I eat that, make it good for the girl, them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Drink it out.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Be the natural. The real thing.
I like it.
Make all the woman breathe before time, you know?
Really?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's a very nice way of doing that.
Yeah, jelly a day keep the doctor
Let me tell you
away,
something,
know?
man.
Yeah.
You see, out here in Jamaica here, man.
Naturally.
You got natural remedies
Natural
for
remedies.
everything.
Everything is higher, man.
That is wonderful. Keep yourself healthy. Keep your body going. That was wonderful, man.
Yeah,
Delicious.
man. This is Ross Ellis, you know?
All right.
The
Bless.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
Man, we right this spot 10 here now.
Really?
man.
Right here.
Incredible.
Yes, man.
And how does that make you feel that this is your view every day?
Today we get this
Yeah,
food
man.
Tell me.
and drink jelly. And
Paradise.
That's why you're a healthy man.
Yeah, man.
Look at
the real stuff.
Real stuff that to the man.
that. Looks very
Yeah,
nice.
man. Natural, you know? You smell that?
What? I like it.
Yeah, man.
All right, all right.
So, say we are carrying
Well,
the
that's
right
very,
place.
very
them.
nice. Yeah, man.
The right place that we are carrying go, my general. We not carrying no fear place,
When
man.
you smoke that, your eye,
Yes, man.
you feel
Rasta.
like you're up on the moon.
Big up yourself, you know, man.
Thanks.
So, you know, we have a white president chat go down the road, you know.
Yeah.
So, we soon check here, you know.
All right.
Big up yourself. See, sir?
Stay up from there.
Every time, man.
That's
See?
mad suck the thing, man.
So, you know,
I love it, man.
we are good on us.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to show you.
All right.
Man, mad suck
Yeah,
the
man.
thing. Let's go.
Come on, my general. Look, remember now, you know, to walk like so.
Wow.
So you have to walk. You know.
Do the thing.
Yeah, like a gangster. Yeah, man.
Want to walk like
Remember now, no. You say you want to be a Jamaican bad boy.
Well, I mean,
Continue, you have to walk like some man.
You have to chat like a
Yeah.
real.
I saw you have to walk, man.
No, walk like this. Like this.
Hold on.
What you teaching man say?
I mean, I teach him or you are teach him?
Oh, me sweat this walk. I mean, look, guys, I think I know how a bad boy walks.
No, man. You want people to afraid of you. So, if you walk like this, they're not going to afraid of you.
All right. So if I walk like this, then more people.
Look. And your face like this now. You understand? Come on.
Like this?
Yeah, man. Well, yeah.
This is good.
Man. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what?
So you see all the Jamaican nice ladies there, man.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
All them ladies, I love you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So I have to walk like this?
Yeah. To get them, you know?
Yeah. To get,
Look. Put the walk.
But it's not working. They're not coming.
No, man. Don't worry about that. They soon come.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Man.
Like this? Now, am I a bad boy now? I mean, come on, look, man. Okay, but now listen, I need to ask you something important. What are the kind of things that Jamaican bad boys are afraid of?
All right, you walk one. A good question that you ask, you know. You see them a bad boy in Jamaica, so them not afraid of nothing else. Not one thing, you know. You could have 30 gun, long, you know, long gun them like longer than the guitar come straight up or so.
Okay.
Mazooka them, they don't afraid of those mazooka.
Nothing.
No, listen what they're afraid of. One thing, they're afraid of Obeah. Yeah. Obeah. You want to show you, want to demonstrate something to you, you see?
Sure, but what is that? What is Obeah?
Obeah is a thing where, like a spiritual thing.
Is that
yeah.
When you go to Haiti?
Yeah, not fight over 80.
I see.
So, they don't afraid of the guns that they can see. They're afraid of things that they can't see.
So you're going to show me?
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Let me more money there. One shop down there, so I'm going to buy one powder.
Okay.
I'll show you something.
All right.
Let's go now.
Okay.
Remember my walking.
Yeah, I'm working on it, all right? It's getting there, no? It's getting better?
We run the place.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right.
So you see that shop right now?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy one powder.
Okay.
They're afraid of powder.
You show me.
Auntie J, sell me one powder, one baby powder now. Yeah, man. One of them one up there, sir. What? Alright, later, here. Thank you, here. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Later, here. Big up yourself. You see this?
Oh. What is that?
This is a baby powder.
Okay.
But we're going to pretend like it's a real Obeah powder. But this is like a baby powder, though. But we're going to try
Is that
something.
for baby Obeah?
No, man. This is not nothing for the Obeah. But we're going to show you that they're afraid of it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. So,
ready?
I know me I beat too.
No, man. Not for you, man. Alright, so listen now. We're going to see if we see anybody passing.
Okay.
And we're going to do something.
Is this a dangerous neighborhood?
Eh?
Is this a little...
man, that's a good way around here, saying, and nobody can trouble you here, sir.
Nothing?
If they trouble you,
Okay.
you fist them down, man.
Listen now.
I don't know, man.
And we've got baby powder, right?
Yeah, man.
So we're
listen.
good. We're good.
Listen now. We're fake job.
See everything from your idea tonight. You say no, innit?
Well, man. But we have to show with Bridging, so they're afraid of that.
Come on.
So when we go so with the powder,
Yeah.
see?
Okay.
You might go drop a ground. Because we know it's
Really?
blow. See? So when you go...
Is he allergic or
Eh?
what? Is he maybe allergic to the baby powder?
No, man.
It's a trick. Right?
He's going to pretend like say a Obeah catch him.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So, alright. So we're
You show me. Show me.
Alright, so I'm on a powder.
Oh, there's somebody coming.
Yeah, I'm on a powder.
All right.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Right there. Yeah. We're going to wait till him a forward.
You gonna use that now?
Yeah, man. We're going to... So I'm on
But
a
against
powder.
him?
Yeah.
Is he gonna be okay?
Yeah, man. I'm alright. But we're going to show you, sir. Him want to come, I go run. Me know, sir.
Okay.
Don't fear that Obeah boy, man.
Really? This guy over here is coming.
Yeah.
He looks a bit scary.
Yeah. No, you're not scared of bad man. I Jamaican bad, but then fear that Obeah.
All right.
Hold me guitar.
Yeah, okay.
Just look what we're going.
All right. Be careful with this guy here.
Obeah!
What just happened?
Look there.
Oh my God, it worked!
You see that?
It worked! What?
You see that? Wow. So, hey, look. You see if we did have a gun. Look there. You still running now? You see if
That was crazy, it just went running.
Yeah, you see if we did have a gun now?
Are you alright?
In good, man. I just,
How's your Obeah?
no, man. It's not, this not real. It's not a real.
Oh, it's not
Just
real.
showing you that
Oh, got it.
So look, you see if you have a gun a while ago?
Yeah. So instead of a gun,
Yeah.
I should carry around a bottle of
baby powder.
Does you think it works? It worked!
They're afraid of it.
It's amazing!
So if you have a gun,
yeah,
that won't work.
that one works.
Yeah, man.
That's amazing.
Listen to me, man.
Baby powder
You see
in
gun-
Jamaica.
You see, gun don't work in Jamaica.
I see.
They're afraid of Obeah, man.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yes. So we're gonna I'm gonna. Oh, we can't make him see her now. We can't go show him one girl, you know.
Yeah, man.
You want a Jamaican girl?
Well, I'd like to meet somebody nice.
wanna-
Maybe I get along with them. You know, it might be nice to start dating.
All right. Make we can go show you one nice one now.
All right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we do it down here, son.
I like it.
See our coconut tree there.
Look at this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Well, a coconut we have here, man. So you
Right
see,
here in the neighborhood, huh?
you see, you guys have to buy them up a fine, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, man. We don't buy them.
You could just go get them right here, huh?
Climb tree and pick them down here, man.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
I love it. Smoke some weed. No, that good ganja we got.
Then that's the man I do.
Can we get that?
The man I walk like a gangster already. How are you, brother?
Look, come on, man, look. Come on.
Yeah.
Give me a rating, 1 through 10.
I tell you, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah, really gangster.
Come on now.
Hold on, tell me.
What?
Some girl, a Jamaican girl.
Oh, yeah. Is she a friend of yours?
No, well, yeah, me know her, but me link you up on her. You know.
All right. Let's meet her.
Just walk, look at that scene with him.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Use can, this can, sweeter. From Israel way, Mrs. Straight and New York.
Want to say, talk to me, no, man. How you go? Wanna enjoy it? Yeah, man. Look out for episode 2. See? Remember now, no. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, say, Maggy Films that entertain people to the fullest. Real Jamaican vibe setting, real Yaad vibe setting. Not so. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Remember, you know, 15,000 subs me I look at now, you know, so. Make a reach there. See? Good thing I grow. Big up on yourself.
Can't set up your alarm clock on this one, make you right on. What about the adoration all over creation? Yeah, sometimes rain and sometimes shine. All the sorrow and trouble you gotta leave behind. Right on. What time is a great tribulation? Nation them a fight against nation. What time is a great tribulation? Chiwata bam bam in a big million. Away from the DJ car ranking, baby. When we fling it on the roads and reality, I'm the best thing in life for free. Come back middle and middle, best thing in life for free. Right on. Watch how we walk and watch how we talk.
Blessed is the man that walketh not.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.